guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and welcome back to me also. I was actually not on YouTube for a few reasons. One of them being I got my COVID vaccine, and uske pehle I was just having some issues with YouTube because whatever. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to tell y'all or actually show y'all a makeup look that y'all can do when you just don't feel like applying makeup and you are just like super bored. As you can see right now with my hair and all, I do not feel 100%. I am still recovering from the COVID vaccine. Anyways, so I'm gonna show you all what I do when I don't want to apply makeup but I still want to apply makeup. The first thing is obviously a moisturizer. Apply a good amount of moisturizer on your face and just nicely massage it into your skin. After you've applied your moisturizer, you want to go in with a foundation. You don't want to feel too heavy, so go in with a light to medium coverage foundation. If you want and you feel like it, go for the full coverage foundation. Who am I even to tell you what to do? But still, okay. That's the worst thing about this Fit Me rain jar. This does not have a pump, and removing the foundation is such a hassle. These are my makeup brushes. Let me find the one that I want to use. So I'm gonna use this makeup brush, and I'll first just apply some foundation on my face like that. And then you just want to blend it all in अच्छे से. Now I will not be applying a concealer just because it's a very light makeup look. Yeah, the only reason that you need to apply a foundation or you should not skip out on the foundation is because foundation really evens out your skin tone. Even if you have the best skin, foundation really still does help. I am going to add some compact powder just because the setting powder, I don't remember where I kept it and I'm just not able to find it. So I am going to apply the सबसे कम amount of compact powder. Now when you're applying compact powder on your foundation, first of all, make sure you're adding very little powder. And secondly, make sure the foundation is medium to light coverage. On full coverage foundation, if you apply this compact powder, then hats off to you and good luck to you because it's gonna get really messy. I've been there, done that. It doesn't work out that well. I'm taking the same powder brush and I'm gonna take some blush and I'll be adding some blush, not too much, just a little bit to give some color to my face. Now, many people do not understand the whole point of applying a blush because I know many people don't. But when you start applying makeup a lot and every day, you will understand that the foundation really drains your face of any color. So you don't want to look like a plastic figure, right? Which is why you need to add some amount of blush. Everybody loves a blush. Then I'm just gonna do my eyebrows very lightly and you all will see today what I mean when I say very lightly. I'm not even going to bother too much. Now it's a very lazy makeup look, so you don't need to be perfect. If suddenly midway through your makeup you get the energy and the motivation to do it properly, but this video is about like a lazy makeup look, I think. After that, you really can never miss out on your lashes. It's really just, I don't know, can you all see the one that's curled and the one that's not curled? It makes like a huge difference, girls and guys. And then I'll just slap on some mascara. It's a very honest video, guys. This is literally what I do when on some days when I want to like do stuff and I really want to apply makeup But you know some days are there when you really want to do stuff but you just don't have that kind of energy, and it sucks so bad. Okay. Anyways, I love Maybelline, guys. Have you seen the products I use? It is dominated by Maybelline stuff. So I use some mascara, and now uske baad if you want to add a liner, go for it. I am not going to. It's like just don't feel like it. After that, I'm gonna use very shamelessly my own lip gloss. Now, the reason I really like to use my own lip glosses, one, it's because most of the lip glosses they have this thing called Versa gel, and that is the base. So in that gel, they basically add the pigments and whatever. The lip glosses that I make, it does not have any Versa gel. Okay, they are made with natural oils and butters and waxes, right? So it's much more better for your lips. And I mean, can y'all see the pigmentation? So I have applied some lip gloss. Okay, so let's just ignore my hair, and that is the makeup look. It's a very simple makeup look. Really, I don't know what else to say. This is the makeup that I do on days when I am extremely mega lazy to do makeup, but I want to do makeup. This is what I do. And yeah, guys, please leave some suggestions down here in the comments on what videos to film. It's a hassle. It's really so difficult to come up with a new idea every day. I do not know how all these other YouTubers do this, honestly. But yeah, अगर कुछ होगा suggestion तो leave it in the comments below. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, that's it for the video. I will see you really soon. Bye.